What's the meaning of cream soda? Cream soda. Cream soda.
Cream soda. Cream soda. Cream soda is a sweet carbonated soft drink flavored with vanilla. It typically has a light yellow or cream color and a creamy, smooth texture. The vanilla flavor is usually derived from vanilla beans, and the drink may also contain other ingredients such as caramel or fruit flavors. Cream soda is commonly enjoyed as a refreshing beverage, and it can also be used as a mixer in cocktails. Overall, cream soda is a delicious and popular beverage that is loved by many.